Room 342, Park View. All right, so what we're looking at here is a standard 2-queen theme park view room. Hello. One of the cool things here is the custom door signs out on Epic Adventure. Police service room, and then there's one up front that says counting stars, and that means it's basically the do not disturb. And so when you come in, we'll look at this bathroom here in a second, but you come in and it's very similar to other Universal Orlando hotel rooms, but there's a lot more space in here than I expected with the couch and the chair, and then there's the park view right there, but we'll get to that in a second. First, you have your 2 queen beds, very standard for Universal. They feel about the same as like Aventura, Sapphire Falls style beds. The AC in here is actually really good. I got in here a few minutes ago, turned it all the way down because I like it cold, and it's gone down 4 degrees in about 5 minutes. And so you got the beds, you have right here this tablet, and this tablet, well, it's not working. That's in between the beds. There's plenty of outlets here. You have a USB-C on each side. You have 2 normal power cables and 2 classic USBs on each side. And then there's more power over at this desk area. USB-C, USB, and then 2 regular outlets right next to the phone. There's a cool Helios Grand Hotel branded notepad. Take that home as a free souvenir. Not a Helios pen though, Loews Hotel. That's unfortunate. Got all the information on that sheet. Typical water, Fiji. It's a nice hotel, so they're trying to get you to buy Fiji water. Don't do it. Then they gave us this map at check-in that I brought in here. You also have a standard remote, oops, in case you don't want to use the tablet. And then this was the cool thing that the room keys came in, and it included the map as well as information you needed. And so there's a coffee maker, of course. There's some storage down here there's a mini fridge, and then there's some drawers to put all of your clothing in. Also, this room does connect to another room. Got a chair for the desk. Now, I don't know if every room includes this because I don't remember seeing this in pictures necessarily, but there is this living area over here with a couch, chair, a little table. Maybe that's standard, but I don't really stay in deluxe hotels at Universal, so thought that was interesting. And then this view is the highlight of the room. That's really why you stay at the Helios Grand. So this is a park view room. We're on the 3rd floor, and we have a perfect view of the park. I think it'll be really cool tonight when we can see the fountain show going on right outside of our window. And then, we have great views. There's Starfall Racers going over there in the background. You can see that. Paris to our left, you can't really see it, but you can see Burke. You can see Super Nintendo World. You see the Kronos up there at the entrance of the park. Let me zoom in on that. Yep, there's the Kronos, and then Super Nintendo World, and then some of Dark Universe. There's Donkey Kong Minecart Madness. You can see the vehicles running there. There's the Stella Nova Terra Luna, Curse of the Werewolf running. It's a really great view. And then really down there, like right below this little blue overhang, is the park entrance. It's so close to the park. Literally, you could probably get there in about a minute and a half. And so I'm looking forward to checking that out tomorrow. But yeah, that's the main room. And then if you come over here into the bathroom, it's a very standard bathroom. Now, some of the hotel's bathrooms here at the Helios have like sliding door showers. I don't know what really constitutes having that versus just having a general curtain shower. That doesn't really matter that much to me, but that is what it is in here. No Helios branded products for those of you who like to take them. Just regular products, probably because they're nicer. A standard bathroom setup here. A nice mirror with some cool lighting fixtures. And then you have these little drawers here with towels in them and such. And so, yeah, the one last thing, this closet with a safe in it, an ironing board, hangers, and then some extra pillows. And so that is the Helios Grand Hotel Park View Room.